1.3 billion women and men in the world are young people. More than 1 billion live in emerging and developing countries, and 300 millions of them live in slums. 50% of them survive in the formal economy. Precarious work, no contracts below the legal minimum wages, no social or health protection, no pensions. Yet, this movement is decisive in defining their role in society. Life Project for Youth is an international movement of 17 organizations specializing in the development of innovative solutions for the professional and social integration of excluded young adults aged from 17 to 24 living in extreme poverty. The action is outspreading in 14 countries. LP4Y Catalyst and partners work side by side to develop an ecosystem in which every stakeholder can act to reach youth inclusion. Advocate, empower youth with the keys for employability, broaden companies' potential with diversity, mobilize corporates, NGOs, and governmental agencies. LP4 is now armed with the consultative status at the Economic and Social Council of the United Nations. Let's make the voices of the youth in danger heard on a world scale.
I have two family members in my house, me and my small brother. I joined LP4Y to find a decent job, to get enough money to have my own place to live with my brother. LP4Y pedagogy is based on learning by doing, which allows me to combine microeconomic initiative management, soft and hard skills, and self-development to be ready for the professional world expectations. In 4 months, I am now able to speak and understand English and used computer and organized any events in the professional way. Now I know better who I am, what I want to be, and what I can do. I feel more capable and professional, and I have more confidence to achieve my dreams.
I just finished in high school and never felt how to working, how is in workplace, and in LP4Y I get it and I did it. Now I'm working in Indomaret as a cashier because nothing is impossible. Together we can.
During LP4Y program, I have opportunity to acquire business skills, visit other companies, meet with professional, and have a professional exposure. All of this helped me a lot to begin my professional life, to have more confidence in my work. Now I know how to do a business plan, and I am CEO of one delivery company.
Through its actions, LP4Y contributes to meeting 11 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, including